If you can answer 20 out of 70, your knowledge is truly impressive. Question number 1. Which animal represents courage? A. Wolf. B. Tiger. C. Lion. C. Lion is the right answer. Question number 2. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Liechtenstein. C. Vatican City. C. Vatican City is the right answer. Question number 3. What is the official currency of China? A. Yen. B. Won. C. Yuan. C. Yuan is the right answer. Question number 4. What is the currency of Mexico? A. Dollar. B. Peso. C. Real. B. Peso is the right answer. Question number 5. Which planet is fourth from the Sun? A. Jupiter. B. Venus. C. Mars. C. Mars is the right answer. Question number 6. Which animal is known for spraying a smelly liquid? A. Skunk. B. Badger. C. Fox. A. Skunk is the right answer. Question number 7. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 8. B. 7. C. 6. A. 8 is the right answer. Question number 8. What instrument is used to measure body temperature? A. Barometer. B. Speedometer. C. Thermometer. C. Thermometer is the right answer. Question number 9. When you mix blue and red, what color do you get? A. Green. B. Orange. C. Purple. C. Purple is the right answer. Question number 10. What is the name of King Arthur's sword? A. Excalibur. B. Dragon Fang. C. Thunderblade. A. Excalibur is the right answer. Question number 11. What do you call a six-sided shape? A. Heptagon. B. Octagon. C. Hexagon. C. Hexagon is the right answer. Question number 12. Which animal is famous for changing color? What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle. B. Falcon. C. Hawk. A. Bald eagle is the right answer. Question number 14. What is the plural form of the word mouse? A. Mouses. B. Mice. C. Mouse. B. Mice is the right answer. Question number 15. What is the capital of Australia? A. Canberra. B. Melbourne. C. Sydney. A. Canberra is the right answer. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? A. 95 Celsius. B. 90 Celsius. C. 100 Celsius. C. 100 Celsius is the right answer. Which bird is famous for being able to fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Sparrow. C. Eagle. A. Hummingbird is the right answer. What is a baby sheep called? A. Calf. B. Kid. C. Lamb. C. Lamb is the right answer. How many oceans are there on Earth? A. 7. B. 6. C. 5. C5 is the right answer. Which animal is a symbol of peace? A. Dove. B. Eagle. C. Swan. A. Dove is the right answer. Which organ helps you digest food? A. Kidney. B. Stomach. C. Heart. B. Stomach is the right answer. Which gas do humans exhale? A. Hydrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide is the right answer. What do bears do during the winter months? A. Hibernate. B. Migrate. C. Swim. A. Hibernate is the right answer. When mixing paint, what color do red and white make? A. Orange. B. Purple. C. Pink. C. Pink is the right answer. What is 17 multiplied by 3? A. 51. B. 61. C. 49. A. 51 is the right answer. Question number 26. What is 8 multiplied by 8? A. 56. B. 64. C. 84. B. 64 is the right answer. Which luxury watch brand uses a crown as its logo? A. Rolex. B. Omega. C. Casio. A. Rolex is the right answer. How many dimes make $1? A. 20. B. 10. C. 8. B. 10 is the right answer. What kind of animal is a dolphin? A. Mammal. B. Reptile. C. Fish. A. Mammal is the right answer. What is the chemical symbol for water? Which mineral is essential for bones? A. Iron. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. C. Calcium is the right answer. When mixing paint, what color do yellow and blue make? A. Orange. B. Red. C. Green. C. Green is the right answer. What color are bananas when they are ripe? A. Green. B. Blue. C. Yellow. C. Yellow is the right answer. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? A. Qatar. B. Brazil. C. Germany. A. Qatar is the right answer. Which is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Camel. C. Giraffe. C. Giraffe is the right answer. How many rings are on the Olympic symbol? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. B5 is the right answer. Which star is closest to Earth? A. The Sun. B. Polaris. C. Sirius. A. The Sun is the right answer. Question number 38. Which is the largest island country in the world? A. Indonesia. B. Australia. C. Madagascar. Australia is the right answer. What is the square root of 144? A. 12. B. 11. C. 13. A. 12 is the right answer. Which food helps maintain strong and healthy nails? A. Salmon. B. Nachos. C. Candy. A. Salmon is the right answer. Which color is formed by mixing blue and yellow? A. Orange. B. Purple. C. Green. C. Green is the right answer. Which organ allow fish to breathe underwater? A. Fins. B. Lungs. C. Gills. C. Gills is the right answer. Which is the world's longest mountain range on land? A. Rockies. B. Alps. C. Andes. C. Andes is the right answer. Which is the largest reptile in the world? A. Komodo dragon. B. Saltwater crocodile. C. Alligator. B. Saltwater crocodile is the right answer. Which animal produces black milk? A. Black rhino is the right answer. What do caterpillars turn into? A. Butterflies. B. Birds. C. Frogs. A. Butterflies is the right answer. Which famous ship sank in 1912? A. Titanic. B. Lusitania. C. Britannic. A. Titanic is the right answer. Which country is famous for maple syrup? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Canada. C. Canada is the right answer. Which instrument is used to measure earthquakes? A. Seismograph. B. Thermometer. A. Seismograph is the right answer. Which is the only continent with no permanent human population? A. Australia. B. Europe. C. Antarctica. C. Antarctica is the right answer. Which country has the city of Istanbul? A. Bulgaria. B. Turkey. C. Greece. B. Turkey is the right answer. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Pluto. A. Mercury is the right answer. Which is the largest cat species? A. Jaguar, B. Leopard, C. Tiger. C. Tiger is the right answer. Which is the longest bone in the human body? A. Radius, B. Femur, C. Fibula. B. Femur is the right answer. Which is the largest country in South America? A. Brazil, B. Argentina, C. Peru. A. Brazil is the right answer. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? A. Apple, B. Mango, C. Strawberry. C. Strawberry is the right answer. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Saturn, B. Earth, C. Jupiter. C. Jupiter is the right answer. Which ancient civilization invented the first form of vaccination? A. Romans, B. Chinese, C. Greeks. B. Chinese is the right answer. Which US state is closest to Russia? A. Alaska, B. Texas, C. California. A. Alaska is the right answer. What is the largest hot desert in the world? A. Arabian Desert, B. Gobi Desert, C. Sahara Desert. C. Sahara Desert is the right answer. How many years are in 1 millennium? A. 1000, B. 500, C. 100. A. 1000 is the right answer. Question number 65. What is the normal body temperature? A. 100 Fahrenheit, B. 98 Fahrenheit, C. 97.5 Fahrenheit. B. 98.6 Fahrenheit is the right answer. Which bird is known for swimming but not flying? A. Parrot, B. Eagle, C. Penguin. C. Penguin is the right answer. Question number 67. Which food is best for heart health? A. Muffins, B. Pickles, C. Leafy greens. C. Leafy greens is the right answer. Which animal can hold its breath for 6 days? A. Scorpion, B. Crocodile, C. Bear. A. Scorpion is the right answer. Which tree lacks wood? A. Palm, B. Cotton, C. Banana. C. Banana is the right answer. How many questions you have answered correctly? Comment your score below. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.